Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Chrome not responding step by step in 2026. If your Chrome keeps freezing, showing not responding, or crashing frequently, don't worry. There are several ways to troubleshoot and get it working smoothly again. Let's start. First, close Chrome completely. Make sure all windows are closed. On Windows, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape and end any Chrome processes still running. This ensures no background processes are causing the freeze. Next, restart your computer. Sometimes a simple reboot clears memory and temporary issues that affect Chrome. Now, open Chrome and check your extensions. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Go to More Tools, then Extensions. Disable or remove any extensions you don't use regularly. Extensions can sometimes conflict with Chrome and cause it to stop responding. Another tip is to clear browsing data. Go to Settings, greater than Privacy and Security, greater than Clear Browsing Data. Select All Time and choose Cached Images, Cookies, and Site Data. This can fix slow or frozen pages caused by corrupted cache. Now, check for Chrome updates. Click the three dots, go to Help greater than About Google Chrome, and let it update. Running the latest version ensures you have bug fixes and improved performance. If Chrome still freezes, disable hardware acceleration. Go to Settings, greater than System, and toggle off. Use hardware acceleration when available. Restart Chrome after changing this setting. For persistent problems, try resetting Chrome settings. Go to Settings greater than Reset and Cleanup greater than Restore settings to their original defaults. This resets misconfigured settings without affecting bookmarks or passwords. Another advanced step is to scan your computer for malware. Chrome has a built-in cleanup tool under Settings greater than Reset and Cleanup greater than Cleanup Computer. Run it to remove software that might interfere with Chrome. Finally, if none of these work, consider reinstalling Chrome. Uninstall it completely, restart your computer, and download the latest version from the official Google site. This ensures a fresh installation and fixes persistent issues. And that's how you fix Google Chrome not responding step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.